This is our apocalyptic 2020 quarantine garden. So this morning I woke up to the sound of a rototiller and I knew today was the day the garden starts. So after taking a while to make French press and breakfast, I went outside to help. And so what I did was I just leveled it. And so, yeah, so that's what I did, and then he fertilized the dirt. And then he checked to see if it was level.
Good?
What? Yeah,
Good?
Pretty level.
Thank you.
Which it was. And then we took the wood out from the old garden.
Alright, what's the plan? We're gonna use that to do the other one, or?
And so we're gonna use that to build the fence for the other garden. So now I guess we have to build the fence and do whatever with the soil, and then we'll start planting at some point. So this is just going to be a series of how it happened. So if you would like to see more of those videos, I guess like, subscribe, or save the playlist, whatever you want to do, I don't know. But yeah, that's what's going to happen. This is what we are doing. So yay for growing things in this apocalyptic quarantine world.